Hello peoples, it's me, the bearded dragon lover, and today we'll be trying on hand lotion, doing makeup, and at the end I have some things I want to show you guys. So let's get to the hand lotion. I've already tried this. Yeah, I've already tried this. I think before the video. Yeah. Do not get this. This will make your hands oily. It does not smell nice. So after that, let's just get to the makeup. Got some homemade bronzer. I mixed up some eyeshadows and all the color bronzers that I had. Let's see how it looks. I like it. It looks cute. I don't have too much bronzer on because then I can look back, but I think it looks pretty nice. Add a little bit more. Yeah, that looked good. So I go with the lighter one because we have like red, it's orangish red. I'll say that, orangish red. So it's a little bit orange, a little bit red. This one is, if any of you guys know who the YouTuber Sniper Wolf is, she wears like this color but a bit more nude color and more fancier, what I would say. So, on. I like it. It looked cute. Do not mind my teeth. I forgot to brush them today. So we got the makeup look. Dude, I don't like putting on too much makeup. So after that, what else should we do? Ooh, how would I try some of my mom's high heels? I have, I think, 2 of her high heels that don't fit her anymore that I have now. So I'm gonna go get them. I'm back. Let me push this chair out of the way. And I'm gonna move the camera then. Okay, so we have these like very tall stilettos that like, I don't even know what these are. Do not roast me in the comments. Okay, so we have these. These ones are really uncomfortable. These ones actually fit me and I can actually wear these. So, don't have that good lighting, so I'm gonna probably just like move the camera down to the bottom. Okay. Let's put on these ones, the wedges. I think they look pretty nice. Never mind, I can't even get them on. I guess no heels for this video. In another video, I'll somehow find a way to put them on. And I didn't tell you guys, but I do soccer. It's probably not important, but So let's, how about we show I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I wanted to show you guys in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna save the best one for last. Today, the first one, a mini pineapple pomp my cousin gave me. These are special to me because I only have 4 of them. One of them just fell. This one, pineapple, crunchy sound. I usually put it on like a keychain like this. And I sometimes attach it to my phone, so my phone's pretty heavy usually. Then we have the train. And I'm going to show you why I got these specific ones. I'm going to tell you near the end. Then we got T-shirt. Very colorful T-shirt. Wait, at the end I'll give you a close-up of all of them. T-shirt. Then we have a little ducky. Little dookie. Okay, let's do close-up on them now. Close up. Close up. Then we got the train. We hold the back up. Train. Yeah, had a lot of detail on it. To me, I think it has a lot of detail. Then we got the shirt. Very colorful. It's a bit sharp on the edges. It's not sharp, but it's very pointy. Then we have my dookie. Don't mind what I just said. I mean ducky. Ducky, 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 ducky. So we got those, and then the best for last. I saved the best one. SpongeBob. SpongeBob, SpongeBob, SpongeBob. Do you know, Mom, my shaky hands. But it's SpongeBob. It's SpongeBob. Comment down below. Comment down below if you like SpongeBob, and comment down below if you like Poppets. Well, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. So this is a adios.